Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to open this USB extension box and let's see what's inside it. I have two types of ports. One is this type and one is this type. Come on, let's open this and see what's inside it. First I will open this one. I'll keep it aside. As you can see, this comes with 4 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's remove the screws. Now I have removed the screws. Let's open it. This comes with this type of case, and here is the PCB. It comes with the PCB where the 4 ports are attached, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with this type of machine. And here's the main wire. As you can see, you can able to see this. These are the 4 ports. Port number 1, port number 2, port number 3 and port number 4. This is something attached over here. As you can see, this port is. Now let's open this one. As you can see, this one. Come on, let's do it. Now let's remove the screws of it and see what's inside it. Now I have removed the screws. Let's separate the case, and this is the extension box. Let's remove it. And this is the box, and here we can see once again 4 ports. As you can see, 4 ports and 1 LED. Same thing what we saw in previous one. As you can see, this is the PCB. Port number 1, port number 2, port number 3 and port number 4. This is the same thing, and here the wire output. As you can see, this is inside the 2 things. These are the 2. As you can see, these are the two things. One is this one and another one is this. Both having same type of things and same PCB, same type of PCB. As you can see, this is inside this. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.